This is Chef Seth. Welcome to Noodles Italian Cafe, my kitchen, our restaurant, and we invited to be your home. Here we are at Noodles Italian Cafe and Sushi Bar with our great chef Brandoni. He's our sushi chef. We couldn't do it without him. Let's go inside and see some of his creations. We're showing you how to make your sushi rice at home. You can see Chef Brandon is pouring the mirin mixture into the rice, which is equal parts mirin, equal parts rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And you bring that to a slight simmer. Don't overboil it, just simmering it so that the sugar dissolves. When you're first making your rice, you want to rinse it until the water runs clear. They call that washing the rice. The rice is ready. So when you cook the rice, you do equal parts of rice to water. Then after the rice is cooked, then we do our mirin mixture. As you're spreading the rice, you're trying to reduce the heat. The Japanese short grain rice that we use tends to be a little more starchier than a normal long grain rice, and that starch is what helps it stick together. This bowl is called a hangiri. The reason you want to use a wooden bowl as opposed to a metal bowl is because the metal bowl will not soak up any of the moisture. The wooden bowl will absorb the moisture as well as help the rice to cool evenly. Now I want to show you how to make a very simple roll. This is our California roll, which is a very basic roll. Most people when they start eating sushi, they start out with the California roll. There's no raw ingredient in it per se. So you spread your rice out, turn your rice over, cucumber, 2 crab sticks, avocado in there. Secret to doing the sushi roll is grabbing it. The sushi chef that taught me, we pull the mat in here like this. So you want to get all 4 of your fingers rolling at the same time. Use your pinkies. Don't skip any part of the roll. Roll it nice and tight like that. Then you pull the mat over and you're almost forming it into a square. We get a little masago right over top. Then we take a little bit of sesame seed right over top. Key with cutting sushi and using the knife is let the knife do the work. In, pull it back 1 time, trim off the ends, take off 1 piece. You're going to cut this to 10 pieces, all right? So each piece obviously is going to be 5. So if we take 1 off the ends, then we know this is going to be 4. We cut it in half. Come back and cut those halves in half. Those halves in half. So the presentation, you can use all different style plates. Just lay it down on the back side. A little fresh ginger. A little wasabi. If you put the wasabi in a pastry bag with a pastry tip, you get a nice little design at the end. And voila, our California roll. This second roll that we're going to make is when I'm feeling healthy and I want to eat some nice protein, nice healthy meal. I asked Brandon to make me this sushi roll, high in protein, vegetable. It's one of my favorite simple rolls to do. It's fresh asparagus, bluefin tuna, fresh salmon, all sushi grade. To make your fish quality sushi grade, they freeze it to below 30 degrees for a certain amount of time. And that keeps your sushi grade fish safe for you to eat. Cut it with the plastic to hold the avocado on there. Then you make sure it's all out, it's all off. They'll reform it, put it on your sushi plate. Decorate it how you like, a little sauce, a little soy sauce, teriyaki, a little wasabi and fresh ginger. Beautiful orchid garnish. There we are. Nice easy sushi roll for you to make at home or come enjoy it here at Noodles Italian Cafe and Sushi Bar. Tune in every Wednesday for Noodles recipes, tips, and tricks. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Seth Berman.